this my chicken feet already. You have to take your time to wash and peel off the skin. Most times you get the one that is not properly, so you have to do it on your own to be able to enjoy what you're actually eating. If not, when you're done, you would have a lot of things you don't want to put in your mouth. Okay, so that's well washed properly. So in here I'll be adding my salt, my stock cube. So I have thyme, curry, and any other seasoning cube you would like. My onion. So in here I have pepper, garlic and ginger already blended. I'm going to be adding a little because we're going to use it for the sauce. Okay, so it's time to add water. I'm adding just a little. I actually don't need so much water, but because it's going to cook for at least, so I'm going to add enough water, but I just don't want it to have so what I'm going to do is I'll be adding water in intervals. If it's not enough, I'll add some more. Okay, so and we're ready to cook it. So immediately it steams, I'll show you. Let me prepare the other ones for the frying. Okay, so you can see it's actually boiling very well. Oh, I can't tell you how it feels like in my kitchen. The aroma. Oh. So at this point it's not well cooked. Just give it a stir and I'll still have to cover it. So it's time to get it off the fire. So you see why I didn't need to add so much water. From here now we're going to be frying. So please, you have to constantly stir. Oh, shallow frying, not frying. I'm frying it now. I decided not to use a fry pan. You can use a fry pan if you want. Because of the area where my electric cooker is located, I'm not using the gas, I'm using electric. So I don't want the whole place, microwave and all that to be messed up. So it's time to get it off the pot. You can leave it as brown as you want, but I'm getting it off the pot now, and we'll get set for the next part. So I already used this pot to fry. That's the pot I use in frying. So you can still change your pot if you want, but next thing I'm going to add is my onion. You can add as many onions you want. You know, instead of you frying the chicken feet, microwave it, you would also get the same result. Okay, use as much onion that you like. So when filming this, I never knew I didn't have enough onion. So I'm going to be adding my bread. Right after, I'm going to be adding my pepper, garlic, and onion. Pinch of salt for taste. When adding your salt, remember you parboiled it, okay? So when adding it, be careful. You have to taste. Make sure you don't already have enough salt. So just a little. While I add the chicken, I will know if I would add more salt or not. So I'm adding the chicken now. Well, if the paste is too thick, you add water, or the chicken fit you used before, the stock water I used before. I reserved mine, so you just have to add to know it, and that is it. When you stir, you leave it for a few minutes and you're ready. Takes a rigorous process, but it's worth it. Finger licking. Alright, please tell me what you think. Please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And in the comment section, just leave a comment and tell me what you actually want me to cook next. And I will be willing to do that. Thank you. Bye. Voila. This is what you have. Whew. Sumptuous, delicious. So thank you all for watching. Bye.